So, Nia, when you speak in English, are you really worried about making mistakes? Is it something that crosses your mind?
Not really, but when I get mistakes, I was like, oh gosh, this is wrong. Oh, wait, I'm sorry, this is that thing. Like, imagine I bought a pencil, okay? And my friend is asking me to give it to her. So I give it, and I say to my other friend, I gave that pencil to her. So maybe there's going to be one mistake. Just imagine there's going to be one mistake, and I was like, oh sorry, this is the I gave her the pencil like that.
So you're not. It doesn't really bother you, right?
Nah, doesn't really bother me. I just fixed my mistake. That's all.
Yeah, that's the way we do it. It's okay to make mistakes.
Yeah.
So that's what it is. In short, it's okay to make mistakes. We make mistakes and we fix them. That's it. Thank you, Nia. I've had a lot of fun speaking to you, and we are going to have a lot more fun watching her videos. Thank you so much.
English House Junior.